Hi, this is attorney Stephen Spano.
And I'm attorney Andrea Witt with a legal and financial minute, or two. In this episode, we're tackling a vital topic that many people overlook: how to ensure that your healthcare proxy is readily available in an emergency.
That's right, Andrea. It's not enough just to have a healthcare proxy. You need to make sure it can be quickly accessible when urgent medical decisions need to be made. Otherwise, your wishes will go unheard and your decisions may not be respected.
Exactly, Stephen. We recently had a family come to us for guardianship. Because their mother was rushed to the hospital unconscious. The family knew she had a healthcare proxy, but they couldn't locate it, leading to unnecessary stress, conflicts with medical staff, and their inability to make medical decisions for their mom.
This situation happens more often than you might expect. Fortunately, in this case, even though we didn't draft a healthcare proxy, we were able to help the family locate a healthcare proxy without the need for an expensive, time-consuming, and public guardianship. So let's explore some strategies to make sure your healthcare proxy is readily available while maintaining your privacy.
One option is to store it with a reputable law firm that offers document storage services like we do. A well-established firm with multiple attorneys and robust systems is likely to provide secure storage and quick access when needed.
Another approach, in addition to the first approach, is to keep the document at home, but in a clearly marked, easily accessible location. We provide our clients with a distinctive storage system labeled with our firm name to help family members quickly identify important documents like the healthcare proxy, to keep it available at any time, and to keep it in their car, by the way.
Yet another option, which we recommend in addition to the other options, is to upload your healthcare proxy to your medical provider's health portal, or physically give it to your healthcare provider and ask them to upload it for you.
We also recommend that you keep a digital copy of your healthcare proxy on your smartphone, and that you send it to your agent so that they can store it on their smartphones, maybe in addition to their glove compartment. In addition, you can place it in the medical ID portion of your smartphone so it can be readily accessible even if your phone is locked.
Some states, but not Massachusetts, even have official registries for healthcare proxies. If your state offers this service, consider registering your document for added accessibility.
The key takeaway from today's episode is that it's not just about saying I have a healthcare proxy, it's about ensuring that it can be quickly found and used when it matters most.
Absolutely. Take the time to think about where you'll store your healthcare proxy and how your designated agent can access it in an emergency. It could make a crucial difference in ensuring your medical wishes are respected.
We look forward to sharing more practical, legal, and financial information with you in the future. Watch for our next episode of A Legal and Financial Minute, or two,
where we will continue to provide you with information to help you and those you love to protect your health, your assets, your income, and preserve your way of life.
If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to address, call or text Spano, DeWicki & Witt at 781-231-7800 or email us at help@spanodewicki.com. And thank you for joining us.